I just wanted to take a second and introduce you guys to a new brand of ours called QM Drains. I was interested in QM Drains because I was looking in the industry for a very high quality product, the best quality product in the industry for a very good value. And that's when I came across QM Drains. Made out of all 316 marine grade stainless steel, which nobody else does in the drain industry. We also plate every single finish in PVD, which is a lifetime finish that bonds to the product. But we also have products for each price level, whether it's a budgetary price or a very high-end luxury home. We have solid stainless steel with the body and the grates out of that 316 stainless steel in our Del Mar series. They also have another series called Lagos. Lagos uses a plastic body that also includes the stainless steel, 316 stainless steel grate for a better value, easier to install, but still the best quality in the industry. We also have different product solutions for the bathroom, which include waterproofing. This is something that nobody else out there has, and QM is leading the industry as far as waterproofing goes, and their technology to do so made me very interested to get on board with QM Drains, and we're super excited to represent them. Welcome to QM Drains.